Mariner Exit Exam, ST/SD/SD, Security Training for Seafarer with Designated Security Duties. I am guiding you in shortcut. I have made a video shortcut to success in final exam. Question number 1. Full form of SSO, Ship Security Officer, CSO, Company Security Officer, PFSO, Port Facility Security Officer. These all the three officers liaise each other. They help in case of any emergency, any security threat. They will help each other. SSA, Ship Security Assessment. PFSA, Port Facility Security Assessment. SSP, Ship Security Plan. PFSP, Port Facility Security Plan. SSAS, Ship Security Alert System. This is the alarm. These have 2 control point. One in number on the bridge and second one in captain cabin. This all question comes in exit exam. RSO, Recognized Security Organization. RSO work in behalf of company. When company give instruction, do this work, then RSO doing in behalf of company. DOS, Declaration of Security. SSP have 3 levels. Ship Security Plan have 3 levels. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3. Whenever security level is changed, that is called DOS. DPA, Designated Person Assured. This is senior person from the ship. CSR, Continuous Synopsis Record. There will be question on this. Who maintain original CSR? Original CSR answer. Original CSR maintained by master of the ship. Second question, what is CSR? CSR is the history of ship. Throughout the life, they maintain CSR. Third question on CSR, whenever ship is sold, what will be happen with old CSR? Answer, the old CSR will be handed over to owner, old owner, or kept on board ship. Now next, SSIC, Ship Security International Certificate. Validity, question on this, validity, how many years? Valid, 5 years. There will be a Ship Security Certificate issued by contracting government. Question number 2. Who appoint SSO and CSO? SSO and CSO appointed by company, contracting government. Next, definition of SSO. Who work, where will work SSO? SSO appointed by company and accountable to the master. कंपनी अपॉइंट करती है लेकिन कैप्टन के अंडर काम करता है, अकाउंटेबल टू द मास्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. डेफिनेशन ऑफ CSO. CSO appointed by company and work for several of ship of that company. Next question. Access point on board ship. Answer, anchor chain. Question number 6. At the time of piracy attack, what is your action? There will be 2-3 options are there. First option, do not argument with them, or hide in citadel on ship. Next question, what is AIS? Automatic Identification System on board. Next, LRIT stand for Long Range Identification and Tracking System. On this there will be question, how many times LRIT transmit from the ship? उसके लिए आंसर है 4 times a day. 4 times a day. Next question. LRIT where to pass information? Answer, authorized authority. Next question. LRIT information period in how many times a day? Just I speak 4 times in a day. Question number 11 already I explained. Again I explain. SSAS. How many control points? SS have 2 control points. One on navigation bridge. Second, captain's cabin. There will be one more question on this. Who operate SSAS at the time of piracy attack? उसमें ऑप्शन आता है ड्यूटी ऑफिसर, मास्टर, चीफ इंजीनियर. ऑप्शन है मास्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. हु सप्लाई ड्रग्स इन शिप? शिप में ड्रग्स कौन सप्लाई कर सकता है? इसका आंसर है, एक आंसर आता है रूटीन सप्लायर, जो डेली सामान लेने शिप बाहर जाता है, या दूसरा ऑप्शन आता है ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. बोथ आर करेक्ट. दोनों में से एक ही आता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. ड्रग्स हाइड्स इन केबिन. केबिन में ड्रग्स कहाँ कहाँ छुपाई जा सकती है? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है कपबोर्ड एंड ड्रायर और हेलो कट. नेक्स्ट, ड्रग्स हाइड इन गैली. फर्स्ट ओल्ड ऑप्शन वाज फर्स्ट एड बॉक्स, but nowadays it is coming behind refrigerator, fish or beef. Next questions. Drugs hides on main deck, under catwalk or storeroom. Next questions. Drugs hide in washroom. बाथरूम में या कहीं भी वॉशरूम में कहाँ कहाँ छुपाई जा सकती है ड्रग्स? नॉर्मली बिहाइंड आएगा, वो करेक्ट है. बिहाइंड या अंडर वॉश बेसन, या ये नहीं आता तो टॉवल स्टैंड आता है, टॉवल स्टैंड. सो जस्ट यू हैव टू सी बिहाइंड और अंडर और टॉवल स्टैंड वेयर इट कैन बी हाइड, तो ड्रग विल बी देयर. Next question. What is CSR? This already I explained. History of the ship. Any throughout life history will be mentioned in this about the ship. Next question. Who write original CSR? Original CSR written by master. When ship sold, what to do with CSR? CSR will be handed over to old flag or kept on board ship. Next question. At the time of piracy attack, इसमें 2 ऑप्शन आते हैं. एक आता है इन्फॉर्म CSO, एक और ऑप्शन आता है स्टॉप इंजन. कभी कभी आता है प्रेस SSAS. इन्फॉर्म CSO इज आल्सो करेक्ट. अगर इन्फॉर्म CSO नहीं आएगा, प्रेस SSAS, तो ये दिस आल्सो करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर नेक्स्ट 21. SSAS व्हाट टाइप ऑफ अलार्म? ये किस टाइप का अलार्म होता है? आंसर है इट इज कवर्ड अलार्म। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 22, हु सबमिट SSP फॉर अप्रूवल? आंसर CSO विल सबमिट टू कंपनी फॉर अप्रूवल। ईच शिप हैव टू SSP अप्रूव्ड बाय कंपनी और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन भी आता है, कभी कंपनी आएगा या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आएगा, बोथ आर करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23, हु अप्रूव्ड SSP? SSP अप्रूव्ड बाय एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन स्ट्रोक फ्लैग स्टेट स्ट्रोक CG कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग गवर्नमेंट, तीनों में से एक ही आएगा, कोई एक ऑप्शन आएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 24, सिक्योरिटी लेवल 1। सिक्योरिटी लेवल 1 नॉर्मल होता है, सिक्योरिटी लेवल 2 हाइडेंड रिस्क, और सिक्योरिटी 3 है 100% अटैक इज देयर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, विजिटर पास विल बी इशूड इन सिक्योरिटी लेवल 2 और 3, इसका ऑप्शन है सिक्योरिटी लेवल 2। Because whenever visitor is coming on board ship, the visitor pass is to be issued to the visitor and he will hang over on his pocket in front of to see others that he is visitor. So next question, visitor will escorted in which level? Escort किस लेवल में किया जाएगा? That is security level 2. The visitor will be escorted by ship staff in security level 2. Next 27, what is DOS? When security level change? Full form is declaration of security. Whenever security level is changed from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, the DOS is carried out. That is level is changed. Next question, DOS is carried out in between. DOS किस किस के बीच में एक्ट करता है, फॉर्मिंग होता है? दैट इज SSO और PFSO, ये भी ऑप्शन आता है, या शिप एंड पोर्ट आएगा। SSO के साथ में PFSO आता है और शिप के साथ में पोर्ट आएगा, तो दोनों करेक्ट है ये। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, when security level change, when कभी चेंज होता है? when security level change, when we need to change security level. First, there is a threat in security. अगर सिक्योरिटी में कोई थ्रेट है तो सिक्योरिटी लेवल चेंज होगा। नेक्स्ट है, इफ पोर्ट इज security level 2 and ship is on security level 1, then ship will change security level 2, उस टाइम भी चेंज होता है। ship cannot be lower security level than the port. हायर हो सकता है लेकिन लोअर नहीं हो सकता। शिप का सिक्योरिटी लेवल हमेशा हायर रहेगा देन सेम और हायर देन पोर्ट। Next question 29, when security level change, when there is a threat in security or any accident or any other problem to other ship, the security level will be changed. Question number 30, ISPS code 16 चैप्टर, ISPS कोड 16 के कौन से चैप्टर में आता है? ISPS कोड इन 16 चैप्टर 11 पार्ट 2, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत आता है। Question number 31, what are stowaways on ship? When we are loading, unloading any cargo or any work being done, some unauthorized person hide in the ship. He is called stowaways. Without any permission, he will hide in the ship, and after your ship is sailed, there are two types of stowaways. Number one, either he is going to next port where your ship is going, or second one, he may be piracy, member of piracy, so he will create problem after ship is sailed from the port. Next question, who calibrate security equipment on ship and training and drill on ship. इन सब का आंसर है SSO. Security equipment calibrated, tested and operated by SSO for the ship. Next point, training and drill will be given to ship's crew by SSO. Other than that, there are more questions are there. I am explaining duties of PFSO. PFSO also is responsible for port responsibility, security and giving training and drill to port control person and testing of security equipment, calibrating and operating. Same duties will be carried out by PFSO also. So this is shortcut. I have made the video, so no wasting of time, and guide you. Some other questions come at the time of what is information that we can get piracy attack, that is early detection. अर्ली डिटेक्शन, हमें कोई अर्ली डिटेक्शन, हमें कोई पहली इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है सिक्योरिटी थ्रेट के ऊपर, तो वी कैन चेंज दैट एरिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आता है हाउ टू अवॉइड पायरेसी अटैक. उसका आंसर है वी शुड नॉट गो इन दैट एरिया, वी शुड पास अनदर एरिया. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस टू गाइड यू. आई होप this will be helpful to you to success in the exam. I wish you all the best. Please like the channel, share the channel, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.